As you can see, we're in a different part of Ms. Chan's house today because I have a really fun music science experiment that we're going to do. But this experiment requires me to use glass and water. Now, by themselves, not dangerous, but there were a couple extra safety precautions that I wanted to take today. So instead of my usual virtual classroom, we're going to be hanging out in Ms. Chan's dining room today. You ready? Okay, here we go.
All right, so let's start by talking about everything that we need to do this experiment today. I borrowed, asking first, 3 glasses from my kitchen. 1, 2, 3. And these are perfect for this experiment because they're tall, but they're also clear, so you're going to see what's going on inside. And here I just used one of our 1,000 metal chopsticks for a stirrer. Why do we need a stirrer? You'll see. Now, the trickiest part for me today is going to be the water, which is why I have a nice thick towel on my tablecloth. So we have about 4 cups. I think that will be enough, but again, we'll find out. Oops. As you can see, my friendly assistant down here is holding a spoon. We'll be using the spoon kind of like a mallet or a stick. Why? Again, you'll see. So we're going to start by pouring the water into each of the glasses. But they're not all going to be the same. Watch and see. 2 hands. Let's see. I think I'll start here. Oh. Okay. Yep, it's spilling already, which is exactly why I have the coaster and the tablecloth. Oh. And there we go. Let's see, I might actually empty this out now a little more. There we go, that's better. So once again, all 3 glasses are exactly the same. They're the same size, the same shape, but now there's something different about them. Can you tell me what it is? What's different about my 3 glasses? This one only has a little bit of water. This one has kind of like a medium-sized amount of water. This one is almost completely full. But I know what some of my friends might be saying. Miss Chan, it's clear. I can't see it. That's where we're going to get a little artsy. Normally, I would recommend some food dye. A couple drops in each. But Ms. Chan doesn't really have food dye right now. So I decided to get creative and use some paints. I have a red paint, a blue paint, and a yellow paint. Take my paint, and you shouldn't need a lot. Just a couple drops. Let's see how that works. Oh, I think I'm gonna need more. Not quite as good as food dye, but that works. Ooh. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other glasses. And just like that, we have a big red glass of water, a medium-sized blue glass of water, and a little yellow glass of water. Let's make a prediction. If I took, thank you, assistant, I took a spoon and gently tapped each glass, what kind of sounds do you think they would make? So first of all, are they all going to make the same sound, or are they going to make different sounds? Same or different? Okay. Prediction number 2. Which glass do you think is going to sound more like Elmo's high voice? And which glass is going to sound more like Snuffy's low voice? Don't be fooled by the colors. I can already hear my friend saying,
well, the red one is like Elmo is red, so that's gotta be Elmo.
maybe it is, but think about it for a second. Which one is going to be
Elmo's voice?
Let's give it a try. Ooh! So for those of you who said,
They're gonna sound different.
you were right. Listen again. Ooh. Now this part's going to be a little bit trickier. That second prediction. Which one had the lower Snuffy voice? Might not be as low as Snuffy, but when put next to the other two, it's the lowest, snuffiest sounding glass. Which one? Was it this one? No. Was it this one? Nope. Was it this one? No, I'm just being silly. It was this one. This is Snuffy. Which one was Elmo?
Which one was the highest sound? This is Elmo. This is Elmo's voice.
This is Snuffy's voice. Let's call the middle one Big Bird. Yes, I know it's not yellow. The color doesn't matter. So now, the big question of the day, my friends. Why? Why did this one sound like Snuffy? Why did this one sound like Elmo? And in order to figure that one out, we have one more part of this experiment that we're going to do today. So for this part, we're going to start with our Elmo glass, but we're going to change it. You can't see him, but off screen I have Mr. Chan. I can't. I have Mr. Chan here to help out with the water. I'm going to take the spoon. I'm going to keep tapping the glass over and over again while Mr. Chan adds the water. And I want you to listen to the sound that the glass makes the whole time. Do you think it's going to be the same sound? Or do you think the sound is going to change? Ready? You made your predictions? All right. Here we go, Mr. Chan. Is that the same sound as before? No. What happened? The water, the yellow, got bigger. And the bigger and bigger and bigger it got, the lower the sound. We went from
Little Elmo?
to Big Snuffy. And that's why the little water makes the high Elmo sound and the big water makes the low Snuffy sound. You know what, boys and girls? I think we just made a new musical instrument. It makes music, doesn't it? The different sounds, the Snuffy, Big Bird, Elmo. What if we could play this? I mean, not just tapping it to make sounds. What if we could make a melody with this? Ooh, where are my do's and do days? Sorry, assistant. There they are. Okay. So let's see. Already made a melody. Might be a little hard for my friends to see, but there it is. Let's play this melody on the glasses. Did that work? Yeah, it did. I want to do that again. Here we go. Oh, let's make one more. Let's switch them up. I only have the red due days today. Sorry. I left all the others downstairs. All right. Okay, here we go. I love it. And that's it for today's science experiment, my friends. What did you think? Yeah? Doesn't it seem like something cool? Something fun that you might be able to try at home? Oh, no, that's right. You have to ask a grown-up for help. Because remember, the glass and the water, not really dangerous, but you do have to be extra careful. And you might need a little bit of extra help if you want to try it. See if, I don't know, something different happens when you do it, maybe. Who knows? All right, until next video when, fingers crossed, we'll be back downstairs again.